Hey there, grill masters! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking your barbecue game to the next level with the king of all steaks, the tomahawk. 1. Prepare the steak. Take the tomahawk steak out of the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for about 30 to 45 minutes before grilling. This allows for even cooking. 2. Seasoning. In a small bowl, combine the olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, garlic powder, smoked paprika, rosemary, and thyme. Rub this mixture generously over both sides of the steak, ensuring it's evenly coated. 3. Preheat the grill. Preheat your grill to high heat, aiming for around 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 to 260 degrees Celsius. If using a charcoal grill, set up 2 zones for direct and indirect heat. 4. Sear the steak. Place the tomahawk steak over the direct heat on the grill. Sear for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, creating a nice crust. Use tongs to rotate the steak and ensure an even sear. 5. Cook to perfection. After searing, move the steak to the indirect heat zone of the grill. Close the lid and continue cooking for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches your desired doneness. Rare. 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius. Medium. Rare. 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius. Medium. 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 82 degrees Celsius. 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Medium. Well. 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 66 degrees Celsius. Well done. 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. 6. Resting. Once the steak reaches your preferred temperature, remove it from the grill and let it rest on a cutting board for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a juicy and tender steak. 7. Serving. Slice the tomahawk steak against the grain and serve it on a platter. Garnish with fresh herbs if desired. Pair with your favorite sides like grilled vegetables, mashed potatoes, or a fresh salad. For added flavor, consider marinating the steak for a few hours or overnight with your favorite spices and herbs. Using a meat thermometer is crucial to achieving the perfect doneness. Experiment with different wood chips for smoking to enhance the flavor of the steak. Enjoy your deliciously grilled tomahawk steak, a true showstopper for any meal. So if you're enjoying this, don't forget to like, maybe subscribe for more.